Hello people, I am Papa Bonn and welcome to my channel. So this video is gonna be a bit different from my previous ones because in this video I will tell you how I approach my mural projects. So let's get right to it. When I get a mural project, I break it down into 4 different steps. I do that because I just think it makes a bigger task easier if you break it down into smaller tasks. In this video, I am gonna explain to you what are those different steps. The first step for my mural approach is client meetings.
Sell me this pen.
Personally, I look at client meetings like interviews, but with a little less pressure. Like in every interview, I think it is very important to show your portfolio, because only that way your client can figure out what you are capable of. There are many ways to create a portfolio. Personally, I have a dedicated portfolio website where I upload all my previous works. You can also create an offline PDF mode or use other websites like Behance. The second most important thing in a client meeting is understanding your client's perspective. When you get your mural project, try to get as much information as possible from your client about the project. You can also ask for references so that you get a proper idea of what your client needs. The second and the most important step in my mural approach is concepts. While creating a concept, try to be as thorough as possible so that the client does not have to use a lot of his imagination. I have recently started making concepts digitally, but I don't think that really matters because before that I have been sketching out. Also, try to include all the possible points and references that your client has given you while creating the concept. The third step for my mural approach is procurement. When you are obtaining all the necessary materials that you need for your mural, try to do it in a bulk. Because that way you can get your materials in a little less price and save some extra money. I personally use acrylics as my main color. I also use latex paint when I have a bigger area to cover. If you want to know more about the materials that I use in my murals, I will add links in my description below. The fourth and final step in my mural approach is execution. Personally, I like having a very thought out plan before I start painting my mural. Because I think planning beforehand makes your project go a bit smoother than it usually does.
I have a plan. Attack.
It is also very important to be patient while you are executing your mural project. So this video is coming to an end. It took me a bit longer to upload this video because I am not really good with words.
In the beginning.
Anyway, the mural I have been doing in the background of this video is located in Delhi Chat House. If you like this video, do consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that said, enjoy the reveal.